Tiny Tidy Tuesday. There's another one.
Right here.
Why don't you put your chives in there?
Oh, I could put chives in there. I chucked them over there.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
These.
You're putting them all down to the end?
Oh yeah, I was going to put them in the shed.
Okay. All this out. Jody moved all of these rocks from in here. And we've got some, that's to cover the tomatoes. We'll just fold those up. And we got pots. That's just her umbrellas. And we got pop bottles and stuff. But anyhow, we're just going to do what we can do. I don't know where to put this. Maybe over here. Maybe over here, Goldie. May as well move all this stuff too, since we're not going to be using it. Yeah.
I'm sure we'll figure out what we use this. But...
Yep. Well, welcome to my channel. It's Sharon, and my YouTube channel is Sharon Shortego. Welcome, welcome. And I'd like to say hi, and if you're new here, please subscribe. And I'd like to send a big YouTube hug out to my regulars and all my YouTube family. I really do appreciate you. Well, it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and this is a collaboration hosted by Sunday Dawn. And her YouTube channel is The Helpful Home. And there will be many collaborators doing this collaboration. And we hope we will give you lots of inspiration and motivation to tidy something tiny in your home today. Okay, let's get back to the video. The section I'm in right now is the side of Jody's home, just off her deck, and the fence. And it's kind of a great place to store stuff, so we're cleaning it all out and getting everything sorted and put away where it should go, so that hopefully they can store stuff back here, like the lawnmower and stuff. I think this is what they want to do. So I'm just gathering things up, and we're just taking them down to where the garbage cans are.
That's a stand for one of those white pots.
I just put the other one down there.
What other one?
There's two of them.
Yeah.
I just thought we could fold these. I'll just take them out of your way. You want to fold them up and make them look nicer?
We'll just put them over by the dirt.
Do you want to try and... Oh, okay. You could shove them actually in that cupboard.
I was thinking about that, but I'm going to see if we even need them. And if we don't, I'll just chuck them down to be washed.
Do you want to try and carry this down to the dirt lands?
I can do that, yeah.
I was thinking we could put those up across there.
Oh, that's a great idea. That's new. That can go under something.
What new?
That thing you got in your hand.
Oh.
I was going to use it for those little green pots. put it with the pots then? Sure.
Oh, you got that because it's going to help you.
Oh, I got it. Pretty strong.
You are. Very strong. I used to be. I don't have to be anymore.
It's a memory of Kootenai Lake. This piece of quartz.
Huh?
It's from Kootenai Lake, so I'm going to keep it.
Oh, nice. Put it right there. Shall we carry this one together? Or?
That, let me just see.
Well, it might be better if we do it together.
Yep, we will have to.
Oh, I gotta find the nail or screw.
Okay. Let me know if you have to put it down.
Put it down.
Pick it up.
Yeah, there's another one.
Right here.
Why don't you put your chives in there?
Oh, I could put chives in there. I chucked them over there.
Yeah, no. Okay.
These.
Are you putting them all down to the end?
Oh yeah, I was going to put them in the shed.
Okay.
Last Brian gets. And
What's in the garbage bag?
you want to pass me that bag of pop cans?
Yep. Another pot of soil too. Come in further, I guess, with the camera.
Forgot I was doing the self clean. I'm like, what smells like it's burning?
Oh,
Forgot I was doing that.
yep. We're doing that. Oh, for crying out loud. Everything I pick up today falls.
Oh, you got it down there. Okay. I'm like, oh, is my bum in here?
Good bum shot. Oh, good.
gonna take a little
These
fiber.
didn't get through. Oh.
Well, because we were gonna use them for steak and peas. That's fine. I'm just gonna...
Yeah, I'm gonna take 5 too. Shut my camera off. It's time for a break. Oh, that didn't work. This stuff is really easy to pull out.
The grass?
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder if I should just pour some hot water down there too, just in case.
Well, you could. It's not gonna hurt. Once it waters stuff, it makes it grow more.
It won't.
I don't know. Give these things. Give me this thing. Give me this thing. Come here. Good old strangleweed growing up it. Is this going to be in the way when you want to come down and do the umbrella?
I usually walk around anyway.
I was thinking more, Brian. I knew you'd walk around.
If he doesn't like it, you can take it down.
It's true. It's a really easy way to put it up because there's a little board right here.
Yep.
We can just stick it in.
Odie might knock it down.
I don't know if she can. Just sticking it in the board here.
Okay.
Inside the board, and it holds it there pretty darn good.
Nice. Something for the triangle and grow up.
Yeah. Well, it can look pretty.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. This one will work.
The sidewalk. Are you gonna use the straw broom?
Yep.
Oh, alright.
I'm just gonna try it
Yeah,
and
might
see.
as well go.
It's gonna look better than nothing. I'm not doing all the way down.
No,
Just to that thing.
yeah. No, because I think some of that wood you want to leave on the ground because it keeps on top of the bird off.
Well, yeah, you don't want to take the stuff up. The rug's up.
I'm gonna go
They're
boil
perfect.
some water.
Huh?
I'm gonna boil some water.
Okay, we've got it swept. Swept off pretty good. It looked like that back there. So we got half of it cleaned. And that's pretty good. Okay, so Jody and I got most of the small stuff all taken out of there and put down here by the shed. So now we are going to load all this stuff up in the back of our van, and Papa's going to drive us to the dump, and we're going to get rid of all of this stuff beside the garbage can. So the next day, Brian got busy and moved all the big stuff out of that area as well. And so now this is what it looks like. Okay, the whole area is cleaned out. Hasn't been swept or vacuumed. I don't know if they're going to. But all the stuff is gone. And what's there is going to stay. And Jody will put hot water on the weeds and kill them, but the area is all cleaned out. Well, thank you, Sunday Dawn, for hosting this collaboration, and we'll see you all in my next video, which is Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye!